Radhe Radhe, what's going on? I consider everything must be amazing, and I came in market in order to do some kind of deed, and now I am going back to home, and I was contemplating that let's shoot one video so that I can upload on my channel and I can demonstrate you something. So this is such a jungle where we go in order to reach in the market, and I am going to demonstrate you, and I am damn sure that you are going to enjoy this view. So let's begin. I am going to demonstrate you. So this is the path, as you can see, and I am going, and you can see greenery beside me here and there also, and the path is down because I think, as you know, that whosoever lives in a mountain area, so we don't have a plain place, although we have a plain place also, but when it comes to go somewhere, so at that time we need to go through height or down path also. Whenever you walk at that time, you need to be aware, because if you are not aware, then definitely you are gonna sleep. So whenever you go in any place in order to reach, especially in mountain area, so we have to go through the high path and the down also, right? So actually when I came at that time, it was like climbing, but now I am going towards the downside, right? So I will go, and we need to be aware when we walk, because if we are not aware while walking, so we can sleep easily, right? And the path is very sleepy here, and today it had been raining since morning, but now it has been stopped and that's why we came back from the market. Otherwise the if rain hadn't stopped, we wouldn't have come here. I will say to my cameraman, turn the camera towards there. There is a fog everywhere due to rain. I am gonna demonstrate you one famous tree in Uttarakhand. I think whosoever is from Uttarakhand, they must know about this tree. Actually, I was thinking that I am able to see many trees here, so let's demonstrate them and define something about them. So, cameraman, I would like to request you, please move the camera towards here. This is called kafal. It's a kafal tree. You can see it's kafal tree, and there is one kind of fruit which comes, although the tree is small, but there is one big tree which I would like to demonstrate you. This one is also big tree, as you can see. There is such a fruit which is grown in this tree, and it has a red color. And then let me demonstrate you one more tree. I would like to go in front of that tree over there. This is called buras. This is called a buras tree. It has one flower which is also in red color, and we can prepare many kinds of juices from this flower. So friends, I wanted to demonstrate you this place where I am right now, and I am going back because it's been around 2 hours I have been here, right? So I hope you must be enjoying the view, and here is a peace a lot, and I want to get serenity, to be honest, because I am such a person who love to be around nature. And if you are a agog to be with nature, then you must watch this video. You are gonna enjoy this a lot. And it had been raining since morning, but it has been stopped now. That's why I came back. So this is educate for today, and thank you so much in order to watch this video. I hope you must have enjoyed it a lot.